Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. Very often during the summer I use tomato, especially in my garden. And one of the things that I do, stuffed tomato, a type of stuffed tomato. And frankly, I use whatever I have in the refrigerator. So yes, we're going to start with this. I will put at least 2 slices of bread like this. I could put them actually in the food processor, but so I would say that for my 2 tomatoes here, which should be 4 half tomato, I will have a good, well, I could measure it, a good cup, a good cup and a quarter of bread left over here. I have 1 egg. I'm going to put directly in there. So the bread starts soaking with the egg. A little bit of chives, my spinach here. About a quarter of a cup of Swiss cheese here up that I have. A bit of onion. Let's see. About a quarter of a cup of onion. And again, all of that is debatable, you know. And then that leftover mushroom here. I have 2. If I had 1, I would use 1. If I didn't have any, I wouldn't use any. If I had a little piece of zucchini, a little piece of carrot too, whatever I have in the refrigerator, I would use it. And maybe a nice big clove of garlic here. Cut the end of it in half. Okay, my garlic in there. I will have salt on top of this, pepper. Yep, and my 2 big tomatoes here. Often I used to, certainly to put the tomato and to dig the tomato out and to stuff them. Here I'm just piling it up on top of the half tomato like this. It's just as good. So here, and of course, if I had a sausage, you could put a sausage in it. But I mean, this happened to be all vegetarian, so that's good. I would put a bit of salt on top of those tomatoes here, and also a bit of olive oil here. I'll put more on top. And here, now, I will try to pat it up on top. Okay. And that's it. Okay. A little more olive oil on top, that doesn't hurt. A good 2 tablespoons, and maybe a bit of parmesan cheese. And that's it. The tomato goes into the oven about 400 degrees, a good 40 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, my tomatoes are finished now. I mean, I'm always for a little bit more of olive oil on top, nice and tender. That make a great garnish for a steak or a piece of fish. Sure you're going to enjoy it. Happy cooking.